Welcome back. Lengthen command in AutoCAD. This lengthen command only used for line, polyline and arc. This will not work with closed properties. Shortcut key is len. So len option is delta. This delta option will be used to increase or decrease the value. If I am giving value of 200, the line will be increased 200. Again, I'm clicking 200 will be increased. Okay, again lengthen, choosing delta option. Negative, if I'm giving negative value, minus 500. Okay, so this will decrease the value. That's it. Again lengthen. Now I'm choosing percentage, so percentage value is 30. Okay, I'm choosing here. So length of the line is 1000. I gave percentage value is 30. So now the line length is 300. So lengthen percentage 50, choosing arc. Okay, next lengthen total. So this line length is 1000 mm. Lengthen total value. I'm giving total value is 2000, choosing here. So 2000. Got it? Okay. Next, lengthen dynamic. Using here, clicking the point. That's it. Again, lengthen dynamic. Where I'm stopping the end point. Okay. Thank you.